Transform your Jeep Wrangler JL into the ultimate off-road machine with Air Design's Panther Pro body accessories package. Featuring the Panther Pro style fender flares, this 8-piece modular design not only delivers a rugged look, but also let you accommodate oversized tires and wheels while keeping you street legal. Air Design fender flares are complemented by a set of inner fender liners, providing top-notch protection against road debris with their impact-resistant construction, all while keeping your ride looking sharp. Extend that protection with our Air Design door moldings, designed to guard the sides of your Jeep against dents, scratches, and trail hazards. Available for both 2-door and 4-door models. Give your Jeep an instant bold upgrade with our Air Design Power Dome Effect Hood Scoop, adding a powerful and aggressive look that's sure to turn heads. Finally, Air Design's Pro Performance Hexagon front grille features a hexagonal pattern that enhances cooling with improved airflow, preventing overheating at low speeds while safeguarding your radiator. Hit the gas with confidence. Explore these accessories and more at airdesignus.com.